This is the latest news that is coming in that near Barasan Dam, you have Barsa Garrison Dam. There's a Christian colony in Peshawar where there's been a terror attack reported. This is the area around here. You have a Christian colony where a terror attack has been reported. According to reports, 3 people have been killed, including 1 civilian. 2 suspected terrorists were killed in an exchange of fire between unidentified gunmen and security forces. The ambulance rushed to the spot. The latest visuals also coming in from Peshawar, from Pakistan News Agency. Kaswar joining us. Kaswar, what's the latest detail?
Yes, definitely. You rightly mentioned it was an attack on Christian colony in an outskirts of Peshawar. And let me tell you, this is not for the first time that the Christian colony has been attacked. Twice. To a third time last year, the same colony has been attacked, has came under attack. But the latest is 3 people have been killed, including a civilian and reportedly 2 terrorists. And what I'm getting, the news from my sources is army operation continues and exchange of gunfire between the 2 sides is still going on. It would be...
Continues right now, Kaswar. Can you tell us that how many terrorists are suspected in the area?
Well, according to my sources, there could be 3 to 5 terrorists that have attacked the Christian colony at the moment. But we will have to wait until the official confirmation. We have to wait until the official confirmation. But right now, operation going on, the army between the gunfire between the army personnel and the terrorists continues. And 3 people have been killed, including a civilian. But according to my sources, the death toll may reach to alarming extent as well. But the important thing is it could be the consequences of Pakistan's armed forces. You know, the Zarb-e-Azb has fully concluded in the country, and this was the same area that has been the den of the terrorists that was cleared by the Pakistan army forces just 15 days ago. And after 50 days, it's really a sad news that the terrorists have attacked the same colony at the moment.
Okay, Kaswar, can you tell us and give us an idea of how many residents will be in that Christian colony and how are they being evacuated?
Yes, definitely. The Christian colony is situated at the outskirts of Peshawar city. You know, the only way, the only road that leads to Pakistan-Afghanistan border also the same colony is situated on the sidelines of this road. So definitely it has the border with the Khyber agency as well, and also it connects with the Peshawar city as well. Thousands of residents, mostly the Christians, the same colony is inhabited to the thousands of Christian families. But let me tell you once again that it was the 3rd time that the same colony has come under attack of the terrorists.
This is the first time that this Christian colony has come under attack. 3 to 5 terrorists suspected in the area. Residents being evacuated. Security forces rushed in. Also, ambulance making its way into the area. And Kaswar is reporting at the moment that gunfight is on. Kaswar, this raises question of the alarming level of safety concerns for the minorities in the region.
No, we can't say that it could be an alarming situation for the safety of the minorities. But as I told you earlier, the attack could be the consequences of what the Pakistan army has concluded, the Zarb-e-Azb operation in this particular area, and also the Pakistan-Afghanistan border as well. But the attack is significant because, you know, the Pakistan army has cleared the idea just 15 days ago, and we are getting the news of the particular attack on this Christian colony. I think it is not the Christians the terrorists aim to attack, but definitely it could be the consequences of Pakistan's army forces operation inside the country that's still going on across the country as well.
Okay, Kaswar, continue to be with us. Let's take our viewers through what exactly is happening right now in the area of Barsa Garrison. Kaswar reporting that there's been a terrorist attack on the Christian colony in this area. First time that a Christian colony has been targeted in the area. 3 to 5 terrorists suspected to be hiding still as the gunfight continues. 1 civilian, 2 suspected terrorists have been gunned down. Kaswar, can you take us through since when the operation is on and whether there were previous threats also targeting this Christian colony?
The attack was reported at the early hours of Friday, and I think the 3 hours the operation still continues for 3 hours. But I can't tell you at the moment that how long the army operation can still be going on. But definitely, according to my sources, the gunfight is being heard between the exchange of gunfire between the terrorists and the military personnel at the moment. But we will have to see until the official version that. How many terrorists are there, and I can't tell you at the moment how long the operation may continue at the moment.
But were there also threats targeting this Christian colony, Kaswar? Kaswar, if you can hear me, were there also previous threats by the terrorists targeting this Christian colony?
Yes, definitely. As I told you earlier, that it was the second time that the same Christian colony was attacked this year. But when we talk about the history of Peshawar, definitely last year, if you remember, there has been an attack on a church, and also followed by the attack on church where I think 80 to 100 people was killed. Soon after that, we heard attack on Pakistan's Pakistan Army Control, APS, and definitely the history goes on and on. But according to your question, regarding your question, this is going to be the second time this year that the same colony has been attacked. And as I told you earlier, it is going to be the consequences of armed forces army operation. You know, the Pakistan Armed Forces has kicked off an army operation against the militants to clear the Pakistan-Afghanistan border, and then agencies which has been for a long time, which has been the den of militant as well. And definitely you will be well aware that the Pakistan government, with the collaboration of international community, has sent the Afghan, that has been living in this area for the years. They have been sent to Afghanistan forcefully. Definitely, these are the background, these are the circumstances which may have led to such kind of terror attack at the Christian colony as well.
Okay, Kaswar, also tell us that what are the challenges right now for the security forces which are engaged in a gunfight with these terrorists?
Definitely, it's really a tricky and very good question. As I told you earlier, it was repeatedly attacks on the minorities, and definitely in the heart of capital city of Peshawar, there has been repeated attack. When you talk about the history of Peshawar, APS attack was there. Definitely, the other minorities, worship places came under attack, and that was the point that the government of Pakistan has to kick off a fully operation to quell the militancy in this particular area. As I told you earlier, just last month, the Pakistan military has concluded operation in such particular area, claiming that the area has been cleared. So definitely the great challenge for the Pakistani government and also for the Pakistan military, when you have claimed to clear the area, and such after 15 to 20 days, such type of news is coming that the same place has been attacked twice. So definitely it could be a great challenge for the credibility of Pakistan military as such. But as I told you earlier, definitely Pakistan has been fighting the war against militancy for 12 to 15 years continuously. Definitely. The operation still going on.
Right, Kaswar, as we're getting our viewers these visuals, let me also tell them the story, if they're joining in right now, that there's been a terror attack in a Christian colony in Peshawar. This is on outskirts of Varsak garrison area, where a Christian colony has been attacked. At least 4 to 5 terrorists believed to be inside the colony as well at the moment, as security forces have been rushed to the spot. Ambulance also making its way to this place. There is a map that we can show you at the moment here in the newsroom, which shows that this is the area which is under attack at the moment. This is the area that is being targeted by the terrorists. This is the Varsak Road area where a Christian colony is present in Peshawar. Now, even as the security forces see a rising challenge of evacuating the residents will be their first priority. Kaswar continues to be with us. Now, Kaswar, tell us if any terror group has claimed responsibility of this attack.
So far, there has been no claim of this heinous terrorist attack on the Christian colony. But definitely the operation still continues, and it has been a normal procedure when we talk about the site of incident in Pakistan, when the security forces announced to conclude the operation, and after 15 to 20 minutes that any of the group claimed responsibility. But let me tell you, when we talk about the 3 or 4 terrorist attacks in Pakistan this year, Ahrar is an organization which is associated with Tehreek Taliban Pakistan chapter. It has repeatedly been claiming the responsibility of such attacks. But regarding your question, we have not heard any terror group that has taken responsibility of this barbaric attack at the moment.
All right, Kaswar, thanks for joining us with that big breaking news.